Title: Gesture, the language of expression. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word gesture. A gesture is a non-verbal communication conveyed through movements, often with the hands, face, or body. It's a powerful means of expressing feelings, intentions, and ideas. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gesture is simple, ʻdʒɛstʃər, with a soft G and a short E. Use in a sentence. For example, a warm hug is a gesture of love and affection, transcending language barriers. Importance. Gestures play a significant role in human interaction, helping us connect, understand, and convey emotions even when words fall short. They are a universal language of expression. Conclusion. In summary, gesture is a word that represents the art of non-verbal communication. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the profound impact of gestures in our daily lives.